Another question, Susie was asking how to import ABR files. Oh, that is a good one. So what I did is I downloaded some ABR files here, and let's see how we can actually use them in PaintShop. So for that, you cannot open them as is, and you cannot just put them into a folder to use them. You have to import them. That way you go to File, Import, Custom Brush, and here you will open the path. You go where you want to go and you import the ABR files. I didn't try it. Hope it will work. I guess that's not working. Are they? Well, good thing I downloaded another one just in case. Hopefully this one will work. Uh-oh. Occasionally you might have some files that won't work. So, okay, let me just go and find another one that I've had before. ABR. Let's see if these ones will work. There. Okay. This is what it's supposed to do. So you will see that one ABR file usually includes several brushes. Those are all the brushes. Sometimes you might want only one. Sometimes you want them all. In this case, let's get them all. Add all. Already exists. Okay. I guess I had already done that. Yeah, next time I'll try with only one. Let's try to find one that I did not import. Okay, hair. So instead of doing too many, I'm just going to select two. So I'm holding the Shift key. I add those, and I click OK, and it will import them automatically into my PaintShop. So let's see if it works as intended. So I'm going to load my brushes, and it was hair. I think it was hair. Hair here. So hair brush. I'm not really sure what the brush is, but not bad. Can be interesting if put that behind somebody as a background. That's good. So that is how you can import them, and then once they are imported, they will just go and appear in your list of brushes. And also it will be, okay, it's kind of shy, kind of freezing a little. And if you want to know where those brushes are going to be saved, it's exactly where it is set in the file location dialog window. I'm not sure why it's freezing now. Let me play a trick on you. I'll open 2021, so if it decides to freeze, Sometimes the program is just getting slow, especially when I stream. So this way to import ABR brushes that has been available since version X5, which is pretty cool. And if you want to know where the brushes are, you go to the Preference, File Location, and Brushes. And here at the bottom, it says Save To. By default, it should be one of your my program, user documents, those folders that are empty. That's where it goes by default. But then you can change that and you can say, oh no, I would like to have the next one in this folder or that folder. You can change that every time. It's really up to you. But that is the folder that will be used until you change it. I wonder if it's, yeah, there. So I would get the same thing in this case. Preference, file location, brushes. It goes into my user document, Corel PaintShop 2022 brushes. If I had, for example, if I want to create or import all kinds of watercolor brushes, I might want to create a folder specifically for watercolor and then say, now import them there. But just make sure that the next time you import another brush that is not watercolor, that you change that because you don't want the hair in the watercolor or vice versa. Does that answer your question, Susie? And as Corey mentioned, occasionally some ABR files don't seem to want to be imported. They seem to be a problem. It could be uh, due to what version of Photoshop it was created in. Or maybe older versions or newer versions, whatever, depending on what you have. And now, knowing that you can use those ABR brushes, you're not limited because it's kind of hard to find the PSP brushes. They're really hard. People don't think about PaintShop. They think about Photoshop. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!